Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Hope you are preparing well for the AAO exam. So in this short video, some of the information I would like to share with the AAO agriculture aspirants. So I have got many messages and calls with respect to examination. So first and foremost important aspect is exam date. Okay, so as many of you know that the notification has cancelled and the further re-notification will come. Okay, so re-notification. So as per the last cabinet meeting discussion, they have asked 3 to 4 months for the implementation of internal reservation committee, right? And even the DPR has also sent a circular to conduct the exam very fast, right? In this perspective, we can expect like notification, re-notification to take another 3 months, and again application window will open for another 1 month, then followed by 2 months of exam period. So 3, 4, 6. So it is 4 to 6 months of duration you can expect for the AAO exam, right? So what is the strategy for these 4 to 6 months of duration? What you will be doing in these 4 to 6 months time is very important. If you don't plan, definitely you're going to miss this golden opportunity, right? So what we are going to do here, so the approach we'll be discussing. So first, the approach should be focusing on static GK part and the specific subject. Specific that include 85% and 15%. So why we need to focus, give more emphasis on the static part, that is GK. So which include all the static history, geography, polity, economy, science and tech, all these things which comes under statics. Why we need to give more focus, and even more than like 70% of the time you have to devote this, and the rest 30% you have to focus on the specific subject. Why? Because you need to remember a lot of facts and data, everything. So if you give a gap, definitely you forget many of the things. So you have to be in touch with the specific subject. Okay, do whatever you want, you revise whatever you have the notes, or revise the whatever the classes you have access. Okay, apart from that static, why you have to focus more is, we know most of the notification are yet to come, and there are many notification which already government has publicly come in the newspaper as well, especially PSI, ESI, detective inspector, even RFO, ACF, all these exams are expected to be notified very soon. For this, the GK syllabus remains same, right? So you need to focus more on the GK syllabus, and you have to be in touch with the specific subject. That is the second most important point. And coming to the next step, how you have to focus on the GK part. So the most important part is how you have to focus on this, the GK part. See, after going through the industrial extension officer paper, I have came to a conclusion that if you don't adopt the prospective strategy, you will be stuck with the majority of the candidate who will not be clearing. What is that prospective strategy? Is you need to make your preparation very dynamic. So what is that dynamic preparation? You need to go for the PYQ analysis. PYQ analysis. Okay. PYQ analysis of which exams? So you have to start from UPSC, then KPSC exams, like all Group C, Group B and Group C, even Group A, KS exam. Apart from this, CAPF, SSC, so all central, even the other state exams also you need to focus. Okay, so this would be the major important focus. So why? Because we have seen many of the questions in the industrial extension officer directly repeated. So you can check even in the group. Okay. So this is the important part you need to stick on. So I hope you on a daily basis you take any question papers and solve 10 questions. Okay. Just don't solve the question paper, you analyze it. Why they have given the option. Next time they will be taking the option and framing the questions. Okay, suppose one question will be there and the 4 options will be given. They may frame the question from this option. That's why 360-degree analysis is very much important in order to score very good score in the upcoming exam. If you make the GK strong, when AAO exam is announced, you can speed up your specific subject so that you can balance and you can come up with a flying color. So this is what I want to make a clarity for the aspirants. So do well, make your time very effectively, come up with the good rank and make yourself proud and your parents proud. All the best. Thank you.